goodness!
What is that?
It's a great big crane! It's a great big crane! It's like the tow truck that came and pulled the car away.
You're right, buddy.
You pull the little thing, it goes... Do you want to take it out? I had to figure it out how first. Did that, I'm not sure how. I see what we have to do. We go like, we need some scissors up on the thing. On top of the television thing.
What is it?
It's a rumbling crane for Billy. Here you go. And then, wait, oh, here's what we need. Got that piece of tape right there. Got that piece of tape right there.
I can open
Open up the...
I can open up. Made in China. Safety first.
Safety first. It's like, this part taking too long, people.
Mommy's going fast. There's twisties. It's very, yeah, pack.
Shiny paper. Oh.
We're almost there. To get the metal out.
Interesting. You just pull one side.
You say that.
Here you go. I got a solution.
You want a solution?
I have a solution.
Cut it off flush.
Exactly. No.
No, what?
Here, take it away.
I don't think I'm capable of doing this.
No, I don't, Melissa.
These are not metal scissors.
To make the pressing go.
What did your dad get you? Do you want to see it go? Watch.
You can roll it around.
And do it again.
Sable? Do you think it'll pull something?
It might. Let's see if it'll pull the dump truck. Here we go. No, it just goes forward.
And it's really hard to destroy that. Hey, Billy! Billy, do you want to see it? Here you go.
Yeah.
Let me get these out.
You really just needed to get me one thing, Dad. Because
One thing will do it.
I did like that a lot.
Oh, yeah. Here you go, buddy.
No, we can Sam done that.
Oh yeah, I was gonna just undo the tape. And then he can unwrap it.
Here. Oh, he did it. He's like, pick. Do you think it's in? I have a feeling I know what's in.
It's not a barrel monkeys.
Oh, it's not.
No. Because those would be too small. But
It's stackers. Look at all these stackers. Did you keep coming apart? Stackers. How cool is that? Yeah.
There's little cups in the.
Sweet.
I love this. The stocking as the stocking cap. It's very funny. That's a literal stocking cap. Merry Christmas, Billy.
It's a whole new world for Christmas.
A whole new world.
Hey, babe.
Yep.
These little
Ah,
things too.
thank you. Thank you.
Sure.